Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video on Python for Ethical Hackers. So if you remember from our last few videos, we are creating an algorithm for sorting the problem out of whether the MAC address was changed or not. So in that we did accomplish our first step, which was to read the output from a specific command, and now we are heading over to the second step, which is to get the MAC address from the output. So for getting the MAC address of the output, we will be using regular expression. Well, regular expression is a way to read certain part of the string from a big string, which is used in a lot of different languages, I think in almost every language out there. So if you learn the regular expression right over here in Python, there would be no problem in working with it in any language, whether that is JavaScript, PHP, or any other language. So in this video, so just to give you an overview, in this video we will not be working with the regular expression in Python, but we will be understanding that theoretically or in general. So let's run what we have right now. So if I run my program, it outputs the output of the ifconfig command to the screen. Now what I do need is, this whole thing is useless for me. So the only thing I need, or the only thing useful for me, is this MAC address. So I just want to check that whether this MAC address was changed or not. So for that reason, I want to ignore this entire thing, and the only thing I need is this MAC address. So for doing that, I will open up the browser, and in the browser I will open up the Pythex website, which is used to create the regular expression for, or create the rules of regular expression for a certain string. So in our case, we do have this entire string right over here stored with us in a variable. So I'll just copy and paste it right over here, and then come over here and try to create some rules for us. So in order to find something in this string, we need this regular expression cheat sheet. So suppose if I'm willing to match all of the characters, I will just write a dot and it will match everything. So if I write dot, you will see that it matched everything. The things in green are the thing that matches the rule. So if I write dot, it matches everything. But if I come over here to the cheat sheet, and where did that go? Here that is. So if I come over here and I need to find digits in the string, so I will write / or / d. So let's write it down, and that would be d. So you can see that it's finding all of the digits in the string. So suppose I'm willing to find the alphanumeric characters inside this greater than sign and less than sign. So I'll just write greater than sign and less than sign, and then write a dot, because dot includes everything, and then add a star in order to find out. Like here you can see that 0 or more append, so for that reason we do have to add a star as well. So if I add a star, you can see that it's highlighting all of the things that is in between the greater than sign and less than sign. So it's highlighting me these two things which is inside that. So our main agenda, or our main goal, is to find out this MAC address. So what's the format of this MAC address? The format of this MAC address is an alphanumeric character, then another alphanumeric character, and then a colon. So for searching or finding that, we need to come over here, and we can find an alphanumeric character with W. So I'll write /W, and then another alphanumeric character, and then a colon. So you can see that it's highlighting a lot of different things. So we need to go forward and go forward furthermore. So that would be W, then again W, then a colon, then W, then W, and then a colon. And we need to do this 6 more times, 6 times entirely, so that it finds everything. So that would be W colon slash W colon slash W. And you can see that we do have this MAC address entirely in the string. So this is a regular expression for finding the MAC address. In this video, we will not go further with implementing these rules in Python. We'll do that in the next video. But for this video, just learn that regular expressions are used to find something in a string, in a big string. Like if you are willing to find something, some small part of the string in a bigger string, you can use regular expressions for that. And regular expressions are applicable in every language out there in the world. So that could be in Java, in PHP, in JavaScript, in Python, in any language. So you can use them. Once you learn it from here, from Python, it will be really easy for you to implement it in any other language. So this is pretty much it for this video. Just to remind you, we are creating an algorithm for finding whether the MAC address was changed or not. In that, we did our first step, that was to get the output of a certain command from the terminal. So that step is done. Now we are doing the second step, and that was to find the MAC address. So we are almost done with that as well. In the next video, when we implement these rules, the rules of this regex in our code, we will be done with it. So till next time, stay cheeky breeky, enjoy hacking, peace out.